Have you ever had a blood test done or had an imaging study done, and then you're able to look up the information online and you have this urge to Google it or to put it in ChatGPT? Well, let's talk about why that's not a good idea. First of all, making a medical diagnosis can be fairly complex. Before we even start talking about test results, we have to get your story. We have to ask demographic variables, ask about what you do in your day-to-day life to enjoy yourself or to relax. We ask about your family history, we do a physical exam, and then we add on the test results. And we just don't look at one test result. We look at multiple test results and put all that information together. If you Google one number, you can get very skewed information. So Googling can be extremely misleading. And the other thing that's important to consider is that one size does not fit all. It kind of relates to making the diagnosis, but one blood test for one person, sure, it might mean something, fairly serious. For another person, it might mean nothing at all. It could even be completely transient. The last reason why I'm going to say it's not good to Google is that it can cause a lot of stress and anxiety. I think a lot of us as physicians are coming across, our patients or even our own family members who Google something and then they're extremely stressed out, and worse so if they can't speak to a physician for a long period of time to verify what, Google told them they may or may not have. People can end up feeling very stressed out and anxious for weeks on end while they wait to talk to their doctor. So here's what I think you should do instead. If possible, resist the urge to Google or to put, your test results into ChatGPT and wait for your doctor to call. If you don't necessarily have an appointment scheduled with your doctor, call their office and, ask to talk about the test result. And I think even better yet is to ask the doctor who ordered the test result, because, depending on what specialty somebody does, they would have a reason for ordering that test result based on, the conversation that they had with you, and whatever context they put or whatever story they had from you can mean something completely different for them within their specialty than, another specialist. I'll give you an example. If you have somebody who specializes in delivering babies, they may not be the best person to ask about heart test result because that's not their area of expertise, and they may not know what it means in the context of your situation, especially because that's not their specialty. They're focused on delivering babies. That's just one example. So yes, try to wait, talk to your doctor, or give them a call and talk to them about the test results. I hope you found this useful and informative. And again, try to resist the urge to Google or ChatGPT your test results. Talk to your doctor so that you can get the personalized care that you deserve.